Hello YouTube. I'm trying to fix my headphone jack on my iPod, but it did not work. So I have had 3 iPods, and all 3 of them, the headphone jack has been faulty. I've tried taking these 2 screws out. I put a piece of tinfoil behind here to try to prop the jack up a little more to get a better connection, and nothing works. The jack is faulty. It doesn't fucking work. It's a piece of shit, so that's why I have this knife here, to solve all my fucking problems. I fucking hate iPods so fucking much. Thanks for fucking watching.